Hello, this sheet filled by boot. So let me clear this data for demo. So now I am removing this done from status. So the boot will extract data of player from FlashScore.com. So let's run the boot. Just double click runner. The boot start, and here you can see total link to process 1, and now it extracting data from Fotmob.com for xg value. And here you can see also the status of total player found on FlashScore 22. Now for each player, one by one extract xg value from Fotmob.com. For demo, just the first player xg value will extract. Because saving time, it takes time more if I leave the boot for all of 22 players. So now you can see the boot is finished his job, and 22 rows append successfully. Update state for row 3, browse close successfully. And here is it. You can see for just first player in demo, I apply the logic just for the first player, extract the xg value, and here the status is done. Thanks.